I know y'all gonna talk about this one right here, man. I'm telling you, you guys are gonna speak about this. Remember, Coast to Coast been doing this for about 25 years, a long time we've been doing this. I remember when this vehicle first came out and a customer wanted to go 22s. I had to cut the top spindle to fit a 22 on a CLS. These are 28s. Listen, love to hate it, hate to love it, your choice. Like I said, stay in your lane. This is his vehicle. He wanted to do it for himself. 28s, CLS, all aluminum arms. We did the fabrication. We did a full subframe drop to this vehicle. I even extended this guy's dry shaft on this car. This car's got an extended dry shaft on there. Full subframe drop. Everything's dropped down low. Car drives like it's supposed to be driving on 28s though. 28s, CLS. People said it couldn't be done. It's done. And the guy can drive it from here to Georgia, the Carolinas. He can enjoy his vehicle. That's what it's about. Like I said, guys, stay in your lane. The guy does it for himself. Coast to Coast is always up for the challenge. Please give us a challenge. Coast to Coast, peace. So this vehicle is not 100% finished yet. We noticed the vehicle as we test drive the car, the springs settle, the car settles down a little bit. The rear end is still tall, so we are going to lower the rear of this vehicle right now. Still a little bit tall, got a little bit of a gap in here. Gotta get rid of that gap. We want to sit like low like this. That's the finish. That's the space right there we want to sit. Coast to Coast Custom, guys. Peace. What's up, man?
You guys notice about those big hub 2 prongs. Woo. Dare to be different. Got the wire wheels. Yes. '24s. Those 2-prong knockoffs. Forgiatos, Santis, Forgiatos. Got that CTS wagon sitting on them 4Gs. A set of 4GLs, Coast to Coast Custom. All day, every day. Got that 77 Cutlass Salon right here on the Asante 24s. Dare to be different. Staggered. When you order that biggie meal and you want it supersized, 30s. Forgiato's got the floating cap. The Giovanna 24s lowered, tucking on the GLE. Floating Giovanna caps, coast to coast customs. This thing's bad. S580 22-inch Forgiato. Hers and his Escalade 30-inch Forgiato.
What's going on, guys? It's Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and I have a new design for you guys. 24-inch, fully brushed wheel, stainless steel cap, floating cap, Mercedes cap is in this one, but listen, we could change it to Range Rover, Ford, Chevy. We could do it to all different types of vehicles. 24s, they also come in all gloss black, which is gorgeous. We'll show that one later, but this is new stuff. Coast to Coast Customs always got something new, baby.